LCD replacement, and deep cleaning on Lenovo IdeaPad 3 laptop. Thank you, Sir Matthew, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. The customer's decision to bring in their Lenovo IdeaPad 3 for an LCD replacement is both timely and appropriate. The primary reason for this service was the screen experiencing persistent flickering issues, which can make everyday use frustrating and may worsen if left unaddressed. Screen flickering is often a sign of failing display panel or connection issues within the screen assembly, and replacing the LCD ensures a stable, clear viewing experience and restores the laptop's usability for work, study, or entertainment. Alongside the LCD replacement, our technician recommended a deep cleaning service, which the customer wisely approved. Over time, laptops accumulate dust inside the cooling system, especially around fans and vents, which can lead to reduced airflow, overheating, and even hardware failure. Deep cleaning not only removes this buildup, but also helps improve thermal performance, reduce fan noise, and prolong the life of internal components such as the CPU and motherboard. This dual-service approach not only restores full functionality to the device, but also enhances its overall performance and reliability, making it a valuable investment in the longevity and efficiency of their Lenovo IdeaPad 3. LCD replacement and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your LCD replacement and deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.